Just in case anybody was wondering where all these birds are kept. This is what we call the bird room / playroom, where they all live for the most part. It's in our basement. It does have windows, and I have special lights down here so we can regulate the birds when they get up, and especially when we get up, so sometimes we can sleep till noon if we want to, which is kind of nice because they wake up when we wake them up. And there's the emergency evacuation. Should have a way to get all your birds out in case you need to in a hurry, if fire or something like that. I'm going to be in trouble because I'm liable to die with the birds, but that window right there comes out, and I would try to get most of them out that window, but I'm probably going to go with the birds. But this is the bird room, what we got. And that's it.